Is it or not? Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, I got that clear shit. Okay.
Yeah.
Head job, man. Come on, nobody snatched it. Yeah. Good little him dog. Just purchased. And already putting the head on this bitch. Y'all boys better stop playing. Three collapsed lifters on this bitch. Yeah, busting shit down. Y'all feel me? Hold on. Y'all feel me?
Got the other one out the car.
Tap in, man. This bitch gonna be running tonight. New gaskets, cam installed. About to throw these heads on this bitch.
Shit. Let me get on this out.
Get it done before I go to work, man. Finishing up this motherfucker. Gonna start it up in about 30 minutes. Got too cold. Had to take a pause.
I knew I should have brought my right angle. Fuck.
Yo, I don't know why you didn't, shorty.
Man, bro. I was, man, bro.
Yeah, I had to come back and redo some shit. Had the timer right. Top dead center. Yep. Put it back together, start it up. Yes, sir. Brody just grabbed this bitch yesterday, put some lifters in this bitch. That's all they needed. The bitch is puffing white smoke and everything. They puffing shit. Running. Running.